na yen hwe de wo ho ye be fie so ankomo bebri ene wo fie nze wo fa ba bia se efri enura ebe peme na no pay Kwame Poku ene kura uko exa say for the past be 2-3 days na Kotoko trend wo ho yi pa say be 2 days ni na the announcement of David Obinyako as a brands and partnership manager no na edintintimai edu ba bia no abeda first ebi ba bia na ekọ second which was positive for Asante Kotoko enura ye wo ho a Kwame Poku ese uko exa mame anope kura ba bia ba beto Kwame Poku anope mame he ko enura nwumre mehwe na Kwame Poku da se tedu se sei mame trending na yin mame ba bia Kwame Poku abeda okay they say they were free ho see trending in Ghana now me ho mampanyini John Mahama na da first afinya ede na esi wa finya ho na train asem na kosina na na me ho se Stone Boy na Blacko se Blacko so ne the video yinyum ti me ho se sanyo ne so trend ma me nkomo na me hwe omo beba okay Kwame Poku free top 10 him but no top 5
no buy no na a lot of people were to tip
okay senior move ko C2 ba me na se de be ya enwoma betia kama nti Zaka ho sem wa ha ho sem wa ha
e be fia
e be di ho enkomo ensem ho Kwame Poku wa yensem ho wa yensem pa am se Kwame Poku na no ohia futufo kaka
eden why
osenke e be fia ne aka ho asane nka ne sisi
se o se Kwame Poku wa nya de waye no
me ko hwensem ni ti afa no
asa nema bi ha
anyoma ha dwene
ayi se na ka sense
level no de akona wo so
ensem ha
yi Amos
me channel
Exos pipe specialist
me channel no pay
nti say the best decision SM penifo tikino
something enra me dream ho na me ntiase because at a point in time there were rumors say he might even be made the captain enra de na me tisi anopa no
so we be captain
so we tin quite captain because training ho ye ne na omo hwe coach no as a special interest no anya woni mu a na de o ka say si akwakosi nti ade bia
no say follow think la the game de bia no ohia a typical number 9 fox in the box and I'm sure say obey interest in Kwame Poku to see whether obetimi ay say na man because Kwame Poku hwe na say typical number 9 fox in the box when you be or involving himself in play when he's so good at that they and say
we are not the
data balls no account him and you sure say okona na think how if you can manage him and get the best out of him because at least he has proven say on the numbers no enya bad at Kotoko
okay asem pa na abano asem nti odi okoba de wo mu nyina no
yes
zakito ye de betudwa
correct
na atiefo ne ahwefo so atimi akyerɛ mo adwene ewo ho enti okoba ne de atudwa na ase yemfa tudwa ese okoba ne discuss mu de na apɛ
o ntika bibim foto ka eba ne abibim
okay all right so first part ni
okay
yes enra meeting koso between Asante Kotoko director of football
okay
Stanley Menzo
yes
Eric Tinkler and Kwame Poku
okay
na enye Kwame Poku nko ani player omuhia nenra nze de omoye ne say because omo offices na wo adakoja achine nya ready no omo training we a omo fa the clubhouse no be bia na players ne da no ho na wafa na so omo office into omo engage players no before ansana ya na second training no etimi akoso into omo po anopa ho no mafa na so omo office onzo omo conference room ho nti ho na Eric Tinkler and director of football Menzo omo yusu na bibi o player bi na so omo tenetene no bibi ne nko ya ne nyina no omo ayo omo discussion nti say ho no mafa no as omo office nti enra at that same place and omo to omo safre Kwame Poku enyo no nkwa no mu hia no mu se hia Emmanuel Antwi Antwi de nso ye de betudwa na omu
Antwi de ende yekoba
Ayokoba ne abeka Antwi de okay mate executive producer of the show this morning Alasa Saiza Zakito dey produce show na pay okay and I want a direct show no okay enti Zak dey kosi ye ni
okay
be na wotwe ba ko ne kakra na kakra ni ena Asante Kotoko se Hamza betia so assistant coach okay Hamza enya ko from Mihuwe mu no ti yese ko ne ko Hamza so no na eyo baby ne frɛ Hamza so ba ne frɛ Hamza na no start here woni e frɛ Hamza no wodi etwen wo behu wona wo pese Kwame Poku bebo Kotoko no de beto kura nye na wona watwro report e de akwakoma empanyifo se yenyi Kwame Poku mfiri Kotoko no wo betena ho ame ahwe
asema no hye
ene nsem bebro kan ya radio su Kwame ntimi nyede enka enti like a threat to Hamza obeying our assistant coach Ewo Kotoko. Now esi no Hamza the two other technical members excluding the director of football and the head coach. It's one of their trainings Ewo Paju and technical team no excluding head coach and director of football no. Omo yes say na 70 there and omo fan koto director of football ni. Nti technical team members ne ba akokɔ director of football no e de koto nanim say other technical team members no mo pese omo ne nishia nti menzo so eje na sopem ekoye e no mo kohyia nti hona omo de to menzo anim say Kwame Poku ama obi afrɛ Hamza at 13 no okay because na Hamza so buafu say so no ye team no mo mu no Kotoko ne si nchen na ye jaw mu mienu so mo nam Kumase a ono ye South Intense boy wa ha di besi no emfa sem papa nya dai emma nti omode to menzo na menzo so okay omaka kire na wate ombehwe no motu ho anamo but omosa aka kire Hamza say obeti akoso abom panyifo amane nti the board secretary and Hamza editor nanim say the SCD Kwame Poku ama obi afre na threaten no a che say wo sem nyina ye dey ewo and a board secretary you wate but the dikan no eye threat ewo sem mum no Hamza nkoye police case
exactly lawyer dey say no be ka kire
because one way na wonam ho a no obi di ade aye dey abebo ade oku nti empanyifo atena asem no so ahwehwe mu a ehwese de nyoma esiko omo frɛ Kwame Poku but the reason no de maye no na nto asomu ene suban bi a wada na di e training ho no nti ebesi reporter the director of football obaya ne sakan no nti omo keka sa nyoma ni nyina bo mu no na omo hu sɛ abranti friends Kwame Poku em sa de ha ne discipline ade ha no discipline omo so ade ba ko ompeso omo de ye Kotoko ene se de oma behu no se indiscipline ade edi Kotoko nya nti se uye player ya ma opportunity because report ne kura na ya fa se Hamza de ko ye no enye no omo de ye adwuma
ko ye no a anka
se ye no anka wunya opportunity be pre-season
exactly
enye no omo de ye adwuma because ya ma another opportunity se prove eche obia se enye sa na wote basi aba na usa beda suba we adidi a then ye wa haidie ebe ye din se betimi no aye adwuma nti empanyifo de ato nanim empanyifo de ato nanim se suba wada na di no so betimi am obi afri coach na okotre team coach kwa de ato nanim se odi tena ho na twen de eba no unya hwe de na se be yedin se omo beje no ewo eyi team nim nti kakra Zakito me yenhwemu a me nsako kan eno no nti yekoba the meeting with Emmanuel Antwi so no be de eno so ebeto aso de ama
nti na se wotwen because exclusively na
yes
ya de beba ya kwamro ne ba entwi de no so beba bia pepepepe
that of the show no
ya ba ya so de ya waka no
na was waka ti de e wo ho no shamu
Kwame Poku
kakra
oni Kotoko contract let say
aka season
say ne omu jamu a enye bibia ebe de se ka 1 year na ya na okwa issues kesi enyu na we so some fe bibi mutual termination can also happen na wanya bebe yakọ nti se Kwame etimi ye fast na won sem bi so ka on ka ntem se de be ya okwa ebe paving way amount because football is what he thrives on into already obetim said we in the mountain we see the aftermath of what the blame issue Kwame Poku nye the Kwame Poku that we used to see in who side we they see there may be some spiritual connotation to all of this
say o say the odi ko sunsun
sana me dem adwene yem
assembly
ti Kwame wa bu bena mamro wa ma yonku entwa ankwa usu ntwa nkodu se o se ben sana te ye no nkuru ni du sa o se wa ma yonku entwa ankwa
nkwa ne ya ne nkuru no na dunu ne ya ne du nti se wa mfiri na anko 10
ne ku se o so fa doctor wa he
de wa ma yonku entwa nkuru usu ntwa du nti no ano no yonku enim
na ma ble ebe fi Kotoko no utie ne kasem a very emotional na mo na obodua ansa na oko I will not be able to quote the exact bamekai in my subconscious mind e wo ho amekai pass obodua ansa na oko he felt say ya treat me ye ble tina was when support and na into way wherever he is now when says at time so shantum kra or slip kwakwakwase ebi na ato no ko blaze suffered blay obo water wa bomb ho no e was stadium near boji so blay he was a darling boy onu kra koi intina say ohwe ne maye na sa mo nsem nyina so e ma e na akofa ba say blay de no na no so e ma ho e na we so oba kra na ko wo oba ko threaten be ma say asema beto no asema beto asian say emodu pa na I am pleading say omun twetwe asem masa criminal aspect no enkwanya sa ebe affect Kwame Poku pa na so meja na komunya na kwantem na wherever he wants to live and probably onko chan football so onko to aso we de ono ana adegree so on katakom the history master ne buafo ano you have done your own katakom o say you katakom bi ewumuna into you know cause you have done your own katakom yes asem who pines especially oboa what the for ko one we ono na etu na mna ko you made the call na say e beka bia ma no say am for kwa ne no ono ade sa post you beto che say but what is the truth you see I find it very difficult to understand certain people what is truth just a word dey abeka na truth na I know what is truth say I'm called devil into it I'm trust him no mu say abon TV dey na ka the apology bi kwa ba ya company for 30 here every say we your bad time ko be die nimu sesi asem nimu no asem ba pe no di obi anim onkopa che o chanote badaye pa minim ne pa o madam for pa so every so kai bi na ba ekim dia kwa yo no de say dey asem ko wa obo no kwa obo no ya fu omu so yi oba wunti ni she go ti ba sa na aha de
okay branch here Kwame Poku na be 12 minutes ago and Kwame Poku say ne WhatsApp page when I'm friends over status status okay about solo mon fan to screen so am I say what the any private yanamba okay or say Solomon de to say the bear for a subitimi ehobi or see we can't tell ourselves the truth so we keep lying to ourselves But if you want to act like you can fight for your right, peace, and your future, you attack the bad one. So let's kick you out. I'm not coward. I will speak at the right time. Who Jah bless? And no, Kwame Poku. And ode ato ne status WhatsApp or say we can't tell ourselves the truth, so we keep lying to ourselves. I know that's no. But if we want to act like you can fight for your right, peace, and your future, you attack the bad one. So let's kick you out. I'm not coward. I will speak at the right time. Kwame Poku and Ediwi Abanese or confirm and sema Obed ababeto dwa no se yedi kan bom se nyoma bebre na akeken sie ni de abedu decision a empanyfo ateki de sha se free after the director of football reporter na se kan e free Hamza sabro na Kotoko coach into na report e de ma IMC de omo report e ma the board de bi koka director of football hono na players a so musuban na ha adwene wa Asante Kotoko na ba ko Kwame Poku eno enam so ma Kwame Poku tie sansem no obi oba Kwame Poku a oye oba efre Hamza etreten no se onhwene hu ye na wa hwene hu ya asem ebeto no enye asem ketwa Hamza editor director of football ni ebobo secretary amane ama wakoye police case kra ewo sa asem no ho no na mpanyifo tenase no nyoma hodo a omusudu omani hu ye no enra omode to Kwame Poku anim se se baby adru no ka omobenya Kwame Poku enkopetim anase onya akora no mbehwe team na omode ama no Kwame Poku ti omo plans for 2026-2027 there Kwame Poku bayi onka omo plans ho echedi so what titibi
matitibi
aminti we
matiti tibia na investigations cause to confirm say na Kwame nim sa call no be
yeah
why will he do that and on bisa and then okay but I want to get to the like on bisa and say oni ni pano of waso the position on that near then because all these things will be necessary say we are to say no be ben na zakito or Fred zakito ne zakito kuntokwa. First of all, see finding out whether Sevna Nipane kind Ubed Nimubiana. Whether Ubed Fuaswana. So Ubed and Fuaswana Muntuben and me to a family. All these things be necessary when it comes to our discussions.
But let me chip in this. In as much as we don't know the details, I think Asemina Nitiano and say Pennyfort Nase. And they listen to him before they
and no more engaging no more engaging and no more arrival at that
decision.
Until I mean, that's why I'm asking these questions. These are like important questions. Met me and you be maybe a matibi be say say nearby be my boni panama. The person can act on his own just because you be up a master. Okay. So investigation with me because the way you be ni mo share na e ni pe ben ubed. Then we take the necessary actions. I think, sir, Ghana and your players no, as against the that screen you see, Kwame posting to Sumami. Boys need to bring here a lot of emotional support and professionals around them. They are Ghanaian players. So what's the news and a free AJ bar? Kwame was a bit serious with his training.
Yeah,
that was the news I never, and not from one person. So Kwame in Yabre pa. So for this to come out, never leaded to the termination for the first because the other players on my idea crying against them penny for betramun temun. What this should tell you here say Menzo and Tinkler being former players understand players. What can you tell me here about player on a Menzo on a Tinkler Bobon?
Yeah.
Also what players are
Coachino.
And they put themselves in the shoes of players. So if the story now about Bonten, you breaking it down, it means that Kwame Poku and your professionals. Because if you read the atmosphere, from there I me test ya friend Kotoko play be as on medical. I told someone say boys need a second chance. And before that, that's our news no craba. So medicals never confirm on story say boys need a second chance. So me manage player. What I will tell you, may say forget the SCBR. Just go out there, make a case, stay in Kotoko, and let's look at the future. Especially for someone like Kwame Poku 1 year. So born out 1 year, next year, credit me free agent, who be this can you go. So I started now goes neighbor left and right. Now Kotoko will come and chase you for contract extension. It's a maybe around you are. No matter the news I have, you be peer to baby. Because say club will be decided to obey medicals. Say club will be decided say players crying late. Oh man be medicals no. Because the Kotoko ni no. Say a fresh be medicals one ba. I started pre-season one by. Kabo no cry my own keke. Oba straight to secretary you could chema moako. But for them to do that to Awuche, Inus Adams, Emmanuel Entry should tell you say Anyama sisa. Enti eye dia obeye no ana mo be gina so. Then for you to go and do this ewo omo era ne de. It comes back to questioning of people around these players. Because I ain't for near two for. The assessor who near say coach na waban onim Ghana system no it will per one secret important person to the coach Hamza and you nya so bi na be ka kire wo so nyansa ne kire wo coach no nim system no so he's going to rely mostly on Hamza. It's a player not politically person opposition win here the first person so making sure say only the relationship grab cordial Hamza. Even if you guys had a bad relationship last season, you approach him and you iron things. But I ain't for near 2 boys here for. I ain't for any boys here. I deal with. And one say we are sitting on. You obia hani tio. Any obiani baby free. Kwame Poku. Politically, where we need the heart of some of the Kotoko fans, but senior can't say Mrs. here. Last season, so who steady the amount Kwame Poku pressure banners was the belay issue.
Now we can't see me. Na me chwa adwena ko kakra. Now we can say any Stanley Menzo any Tinkler because omunya hu Ghana sister na ni suntino. Hamza and ebe yo money and no maso.
Yeah.
But even say yem fan say Hamza report muno Troy suba wada na dini nyoma wada na dikura na. Omukura ba na omukura mo fa Hamza as omani no maso no. Still omo fra back.
And no na make say me me nim omo metwa entina master say ehfo na ya na etwa players ne ho ahia. Ye nyina ehfo so abrabo. Just Wednesday say penye me temi trance. What you say? Me la bia. Oh,
how much you know?
Actually, they say the Obama say me should date you. They be seen him through home. Say grad. He says so boy na me see you. We were in chair or worry. We were in chair or senior. When you ni papa in town when she and two for. Who do tibe pempem? Am abayam from so be bri. Ebe kwa wie ye no. And I will say, say my mistake.
Okay.
Because Sadia watching one. Me see your report from Anakweja Chichere say, Kwame Poku is playing war. And as a matter of fact, as an enya break, now say a story about say, in terms of maturity, you have a chance of being part of the captains of Asante Kotoko. In the for the extra place you wish ye. What's your behind the friend, Hamza? And Abema. And then the movie, wait. Jibu wait. It's here now, like there. And all say, by the time I realize a mistake, not or rectify a ye. I mean, and now let me tell a story, no. I was making some calls, and now as in 7 free mobile was too na sketchy kakra ntina me twɛn na anɔpɛ but based on story ajubo ka kyerɛ these players are not working with professionals.
Okay.
Asɛm ne tintin ne tietie ne nyinaa no ɛna ɔmo a ɔmɛtwa ɔmo ahyia no so yɛ fanfulous wo a wobɛka no kra kyerɛ no no ɔno bɛnya asɛm me say most of these Kotoko players ɔmo ne bɛnya asɛm
sir
of course
ɔmo so yɛ dɛ
oh sɛ nea me ka kyerɛ wo wɔn me mɛgye 2 cedi mɛgye 3 cedi bia but the stories some of these players need people that can sit them down and speak to them sɛ masa sɛ wɔnya abɔtena hwɛ kuroma ne bɔɔl na ɔbɔ na sika wom but ɛyɛ adwuma one mistake wobɛfiri soro aba bɛhwe fam ama ɛgye sɛ nyame bam wodi agorɔ wode bɛdane aseresere kakra bi na wotumi sɛ ɔma plane ɔma life ni yɛ ahyehyɛ ne yie wodi agorɔ a yɛbɛbɔ wo din ama saa tirimudɛ no bɛwura wɔ agye mu ma w'ani bɛba wo so na abrabɔ no waka akyiri they say deɛ boa most footballers na ɛbɔ bɔɔ Ghana ne yɛ sɛ ɛnam sɛ ebi Africa ne national team no see no me ya no makotena buruchiri that is what is saving most of these footballers no me ya na ebi a pa ebi akotena USB pa no akotena Germany bi that hona ebi o de relaunch o career but out of football no mu abrabom anigye ne abrabom nkoso no most of them are not able to achieve that and it all comes back to the sort of advice some of these players are getting. This story is pathetic. Oko treating coach ni sɛ saa who sɛm ɛne ɛbɛ den na wokɔyɛ ɛho you need to control your environment. So I feel sad for the boy and let's see how Kotoko bɛyɛ this creates bie kwam ama Isaac Minta because now based on training Minta is also doing well.
Okay enti mame mazakito so further information amenya say Hamza Krano in the report about Kwame Poku was good, especially on the field and sporting performance. Enti echire na Kwame Poku hu say saa de na wakoye no enye saa kra na Hamza chrofa no afi wonu no.
So this is something he planned.
But I say case normal report to Hamza report to police station.
So this is something that was planned.
Yeah.
I mean how?
I support the sacking of Kwame Poku 100%. One presenter in Kumasi 100%. One of the presenters in Kumasi. How is he fighting Hamza on his YouTube channel because he's a friend of a player in Kotoko squad and he had a fight with Hamza before at the training grounds. Okay. And no yeah, I'm Ponsaji Edia our day Abanono. Nana kwesi se Kwame Poku couldn't play a Division 1 team in Nigeria. Na so no one could Division 1 team.
A premier.
Okay, premier, one could Division 1 team. Kwame Poku should understand we also know more, but we decided not to speak. We are waiting for him to speak. After we will destroy him with what we have. Already Blaze said a lot. We also have a lot. I blame the IMC for entertaining a character like him. Yeah. I was even surprised by including him in the preseason. Michael Urusu AK also ended the message.